guys, May 20th, 2025. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got an outside faucet that's leaking. And I talked to him on the phone. It sounds like it's coming out the vacuum breaker. So a lot of times what happens is they leave the hose on in the winter time and it gets cold out. The water expands and...
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Slough Road.
Can blow that gasket out, you know, or split the pipe inside. One of the two. I told him, you know, you gotta come forward. You gotta take the hose off because when it shuts off, it's gotta drain out. It's designed to drain out so it can't freeze. It's frost free, but
turn right at the traffic light.
if you leave the hose on the thing, all bets are off. That's usually what happens. It's fine in the summertime, but usually I tell them after Halloween, take the hose off. By the time Halloween comes, it starts getting cold at night. It's dropping. The temperature's dropping at night. Gotta take the hoses off. I mean, it's a constant battle telling people what to do. And most people, you tell them, and then it goes in one ear and out the other. Just how it is. I tell people, brush your teeth and put deodorant on. Do they do it? Most of the time, no. Just how it is, guy. Not easy being cheesy, mama. At least put the deodorant on. I don't care about brushing the teeth, but at least put deodorant on. Have they?
Yeah, the housing prices.
Oh gosh, she's leaking over. Yeah, you want to get there at the right time, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to say when the right time is, but it works out. The only problem was...
Oh! There's a pisser. Why don't you hit the hose? Hit the thing to release the pressure.
Yeah, the traffic now is pretty bad.
I heard that, yeah, I don't know. They say it's being like in Boston.
Well, sometimes it is. You know, during the peak season is the winter when all the snowbirds go down there.
Whoa. Yeah, the gasket popped right off of it. They went through a freeze. See, there's a little gasket in there. There's a little gasket that has to stay in there like that. See it?
Oh, I see, yeah.
And then as that floats up, it shuts it off. It was off because it got some water in there and it froze and it. So what happens is when you turn the water on, that goes up.
Mm-hmm.
But if it pulls a vacuum, it'll open and suck air in through here instead of sucking the water out of the... There you go. See it?
Yeah.
When it turns it on, it goes up and shuts it off.
Uh-huh.
But if it pulls a vacuum, it'll suck air in through here and it's a vacuum breaker. Got off easy today.
Wow.
Just make sure, let's go down in the basement. I'll turn it on, make sure it don't leak downstairs because sometimes this will split inside.
Okay.
You got it off over there, right? We'll go downstairs and see if it's leaking in the basement. Got off easy. I think he got off easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just a little gasket in there, that's all it was.